Hey everyone, this is Quit Core Joe. In this video, we're gonna to learn how to download your Novo business bank account statements. If you don't have a Novo account yet, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. If you already have an account on Novo, go to website novo.co. Once you are on the website, you will see an option that says Log In. Click the button that says Log In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your email address and password. Once the email address and password are entered, click on Log In. Now you will see your Novo Bank dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Statements. Here, you will be able to see all your checking account statements. If you wish to see your bank statements from a specific year, click on the drop-down arrow on the right side of that selected year. Once you click on the drop-down arrow, it will show you your statements from the previous months. Lastly, click the download button beside the month you wish to download the statement from. That's how you download your Novo Business Bank statements. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to explore the other business resources we've shared below. They can help you manage your finances and grow your business. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and business tips.